What is up, Nova Nation? This is your girl Vana SUPERNOVA. Welcome back to my channel. So today, of course, we are doing a quick and easy weight loss plan with me. I love to incorporate this on my channel because I feel like it marries everything that I do. I'm able to share wellness, productivity, and lifestyle on my channel. So if you are interested, stay tuned. My heart's in the sky, supernova. So the first thing I do is remove the pages I'm going to be using, and this is for the week of the 8th, which is when you're seeing this video. It's Valentine's Day week, but I'm not going to be doing a Valentine's Day themed layout per se. I'll explain in a bit, but first I need to whip out my planner supplies. I usually carry my pens and essentials in this Disney themed pouch. I've showed you this pouch on my channel plenty of times, and all I keep in there is my essential markers, pens, and of course my tweezers because I do have long nails. I find that using the tweezers just makes everything easier. So these are the planner sticker books that I'll be using. I'm using the layered sticker book. I love it because it has so many colorways inside. It has some silver, some gold, and every color I could think of. I also am going to be using my fitness sticker book as well as my productivity. I'm going to be using my fitness to remain productive. See what I did there? I try to keep the main stickers that I'm going to be using down to 2 or 3 sticker books because it could get overwhelming, but sometimes if I feel like I need something different, I'll reach over and grab some sticker books that I have close by. So let's get started, you guys. So first thing I'm going to pick up is my fitness sticker book because that's the main thing I'm going to be going with, and I'm looking and seeing which colors are the main stickers that I want to use. So this time around I didn't put the stickers on the side. I kind of just knew already what I wanted to use, so I grabbed the first color just to remind myself that this is the theme we are going with, and I'm going to stick it on the side. It's actually a habit tracker, and it has an area where I can write notes. It says focus, and I think the 2 habits that I'd like to track this week are going to be my gym workouts as well as my cardio/walks that I'll be incorporating on my channel. For those of you who are new, I am going to be starting a new journey soon, and I'll explain everything in a separate video, but it does include me walking daily, and that's something that I think I'll share with everyone because I think everyone should be doing it, whether you're in a weight loss journey or not.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our
Alrighty, beautiful people, so I do want to show you the interior of my planner. I just switched my planner for Valentine's Day, so for the whole month I'll have my pink planner. It's pink and gold, but inside I have my wedding notes cover, and I showed you guys that in the last planner video, and I just changed my rings to rose gold, and in here I have my sticky notes, of course, because it makes my planner bulky, so I just keep it in here. And so just wanting to show you what this week looks like. I kind of wanted to do something a little different than just all pink for Valentine's Day, so I do still have hearts and such everywhere, but I went with a bluish, tealish, greenish color scheme because that's just the vibe I was going with, and I wanted the focus to be on fitness. So the fitness stickers I think look better in this color scheme. I mean, I could have went with red, but this is the vibe I'm feeling. This is what I'm going with this week, and this is how it turned out. So now all I have to do is whip out my phone, and of course go to my workout app, and I'm gonna figure out how I'm going to work out this week. So I think I'm going to do 6 a.m. every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and write that in. Of course, all the classes are full right now and they don't have a waiting list, so I'll more than likely be able to get in those courses. So I do go to boot camp, and I'm going to try and go every day this week. Depending on how my schedule is, I'll be able to go Monday through Friday, but if anything changes, of course, I'll be able to remove the stickers and just white out what I wrote. But that's essentially the goal. Now, I know this is my first week, so it may not be perfect. I may not make it to every single class, but I think that shooting for the stars and reaching the moon is still a very, very good goal. So that's what I'm going with. I'm also going to fill in my times for work and any other activities I have for the week. I think that showing after the pen is a bit more productive than just showing the decorations. That way you can see exactly how I accomplish everything and how I get things done. I think that's a very important aspect to add onto my channel, just so that we're on the same page. Alrighty, beautiful people. So just to do a quick review on my week, my focus is on my diet, going to the gym, going for my walks, and of course content creation. I have to work 5 days this week, so I have my work schedule on here. I have my boot camp times, which is my gym time, scheduled on here. My walks, I want to keep track of my mileage and my time as well. I do want to keep track of those. Not that there's certain times I want to reach this week since it is my starting week with my walks, but just to keep track of progress, I do want to keep track of that. So I do have motivational quotes throughout the week. I also have a couple of habit trackers, of course, the gym and my walks. And then I have lots of empty space to write in for to-dos, for reminders, and of course any household bills, chores, etc. On the weekend, I do have a celebrate sticker for Valentine's Day. Although I'm not going with the traditional color scheme, I do still want to be celebratory on this day. I have ample room on the weekend for a question mark type of schedule. I have no clue what I'm doing Saturday and Sunday, and that's why it kind of it just looks like this, and it's kind of different from what I usually do. So that is it for the week. I do want to thank you guys for joining me here today. If you guys enjoyed it here, please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. And if you enjoyed it here, consider subscribing so you will not miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.